Head porters, popularly referred to as Kayayei, have received sanitary packages from the United Nations Population Fund. The items, referred to as dignity kits, were given to the young women to improve their personal hygiene.
The UNFPA programs aims at achieving universal access to sexual and reproductive health, promoting reproductive rights, and reducing maternal mortality. Priority is given to improving skill delivery, uptake of family planning, and quality maternal health care. As part of activities to mark the International Women's Day, UNFPA distributed dignity kits to the marginalized adolescent girls, also known as Kayayei, at the Agbogbloshie market in Accra. The UNFPA representative to Ghana, Mr. Niyi Ululape, said the gesture was necessary to promote hygiene and maintain self-dignity of the beneficiaries.
A woman wakes up in the morning, wants to go to have birth, but by virtue of poverty, they don't have soap. So we have in this package soap, we have toothpaste, we have sanitary pads, we have several things that we put together that we think that if they have it, they will be able to salvage and have basic dignity for the human being.
UNFPA also assists to improve the use of and access to HIV prevention services, particularly among the youth. The Ghana Health Service, as well as the Planned Parenthood Association of Ghana, PPAG, were at the gathering to offer free health screening to the Kayayei. A staff of Asha Polyclinic and Community Health Nurse in charge of Kayayei Health at Agbogbloshie, Mrs. Beatrice Idrisu, in an interview with GBC 24, said most of the Kayayei find it difficult to access health care because they have not enrolled onto the National Health Insurance Scheme. The Agbogbloshie Kayayei organizer, Lareba Ibrahim, expressed gratitude to the UNFPA and appealed to government and other stakeholders to put in measures to help reduce migration of adolescent girls from the north to the south of the country.